Today we've got a failing at a light switch. Light, I had to take light bulb out because that makes a funny sparking noise. Let's turn it off. In this case, it's this one here. There. There you go. All up. I ain't making a noise now. God, it's soaking wet. Huh. Don't ask how. Comment. Alright, let's get the screwdriver and undo that. Where is it? Aha. You're not going to use that one. Use this one. But to find a new light switch is going to be quite hard because I do have lots of new ones in plug sockets and all that lot. Get them into hard bit. Oh God. This is why you must never paint over a light switch. Or not end out enough. Oh God. Right, I'm gonna get the screwdriver and go around. As always, we got the old red and black. Wow. Let's take them out. One. There. And you see they are dead because I can literally touch it. Wow. There they oh God. There they are. You got the red and the other red, which is just black, innit? And now we're gonna go and get is the ground. Let's go and get the new switch. Here's a new one. See, it's nice and clean. Let's put it in there. Well, let's do it. We're going to get and put it in. Oh. That one goes in there. And we'll make the black go in. Let's have a look. That's the one. Just in there. There we go. Now, to get it right. Yeah. Push that back on there. Screw it in. Where is it? Ah. Try not to screw it too tight. Like that. If you screw it too tight, this will crack. Now, excuse me 1 minute. There. In. No. And. Back on. Oh yeah. And. There. Right, let's fix this up. I'll show you again. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Oh yeah.